So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of DirectX could not find DirectX 10 or DirectX 11 is not find on your laptop on any of the Windows, either Windows 10 or 11. Now there's a quick fix to that. Just simply open any of the browser you have. Let's say for example, I open a browser right there, and here I have to search for DirectX for Windows and follow up by whatever Windows you have. In my case, Windows 11. Now here you'll see this option of DirectX end user. Just simply click on there, and here you'll see you just simply need to select the language and click on download. Now it will download the DirectX file for you. That's somewhere under 1 MB only, and you can direct, and it will definitely solve the problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.